We came to this place in the year 2005 on 19th of June. We are only 1 month less to the 10 years. I just first of all want to tell you, if you are confident, the point of the strategic plan, and we are going to after 5 years, and we call it a slogan, and our slogan is God our life, our hope, and our strength. God our life, our hope, and strength. That has been our guiding principle. And then we had a mission. Our vision was, and the people are our vision was to be the preferred Christian, to be the Christian.